Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through initial app setup for the Dreame L60 Pro Ultra. If you're interested in the L60, the link to it will be in the video description, where you'll find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website, so be sure to shop those links in the video description. So, first things first, we got to pop open the cover that reveals this QR code. We have the Dreame app pulled up, the Dreame Home app. So we can view multiple devices. You might not have anything on your screen, which is fine because it could be your first device you're setting up. So for us, top right-hand corner, hit those three dots, select add a device. We're going to scan that code. Now it's prompting to make sure that it's powered on. Ours is powered on. So select next. So we're going to press and hold these two buttons, the home and power button, for about 3 seconds.
Waiting for the network configuration.
So the lights changed and we got the voice prompt waiting for the configuration. Select next. Now at this stage, connect to your local Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, then select next. And now we got to connect to the device hotspot. So we're going to select the device hotspot connection and it brings this prompt up so we can join it from our Wi-Fi network. Now it's going to load and it's working on connecting here to go through a little checklist.
Robot and phone connected.
Got a good voice prompt there.
To app to wait for the result.
1 to go.
Network connected successfully.
Everyth's updated there. We're waiting for the app to catch up.
Starting tasks. When hearing, start charging. It means the installation is in place.
So we need to place it back in the dock now. Start charging. Select next. We can rename it. I'm going to leave it as it is. And now it's loading. And we're taken to this welcome screen. We can configure some settings here. And again, you can disable these as well too. And you can adjust these at any time if you change your mind. So if you want to toggle some of these settings on or off. If you want to use their smart voice assistant, you can. Map backup instructions. And now we're taken to the main screen where we need to make our map. But that's how you set everything up. It's simple and straightforward. You also at this stage might get some firmware update prompts. If you do, I highly recommend updating the firmware. And if you want to find updates manually, hit that settings gear icon in the top. And then we can look for things like firmware update from the settings. We can toggle on auto update. But if there's ever any new updates, that will update it for us automatically, which I highly recommend. But app setup, which I highly recommend. But app setup, simple, straightforward, easy to do. It'll take you like a minute or two at the most. Now at this stage, create your map, customize your cleaning settings, and you're good to go.